Hello everyone. So today we are going to do lesson 1 of class 12 political science book challenges to nation building. There were mainly 3 challenges. Let us look and study each challenge in detail. So the first challenge was, and the first most immediate challenge was, to shape a nation that was united yet accommodative of the diversity in our society. So what does this mean? As we all know, when India got independent, we had many cultures. India had Muslims, Hindus, many other cultures, many more languages. So the first and the most important challenge was to ensure that India is able to incorporate the religion and caste culture of every group, so that no one is being discriminated and unity is maintained in the country. The most fearing thing which India was facing at that time was that partition. India was worried that if partition would happen, it would cause mass killing to both the communities, either Muslim or Hindus. The second challenge was to establish democracy. India always wanted to establish democracy after independence, or after getting independent from the British rule. But it was difficult. On the papers, it was easy to call a country democratic, but on practice, it was difficult. That is why it was one of the most important challenges that India faced. India opted for represented democracy, but however, the main challenge was not only to ensure democratic framework, but it was that the practices are actually democratic. For example, if the elections are being conducted, they should be in such a way that they are democratic. So the main challenge for this was that the practices which are being incorporated in the political framework are democratic. The third challenge was that since many communities were present in India belonging to different caste, culture, religion, so they wanted to make a country where each section of the society has been given equal opportunity and have equal interest. They never wanted to discriminate, which would disunite the country. In order to do so, they also formed directive principle of state policy, which ensured welfare goals of the country. So these were the few challenges which were faced by India during the partition. Thank you.